music on the planet.
Today's best music.
Come on. Today's best music.
Go.
Baby, I like it. Hey, this is Rihanna.
What up, it's your boy Jay-Z.
Baby, I like it. Hey, it's Katy Perry.
This is Kings of Leon.
Oh, yes, I like it.
Yeah, what's good? This your boy Flo Rida.
Baby, I like it. I like it.
Go DJ, that's my DJ. Lee Good. You know how we play.
More music.
DJ,
Yeah.
play it back. Play it back.
Yeah. You know what it is. Yeah, what's good? This your boy Flo Rida.
Hey everybody, what's up? This is Britney Spears.
This is Rihanna.
What's up, everybody? I'm Eminem.
Hi, I'm Jodie Connor.
Yo, what up, it's your boy Wiz Khalifa, man.
Yeah. You know what it is. Music.
You know what I'm saying?
Give me a little bit more music.
Let's go.
Screaming. And no one can hear.
Good evening, welcome to the programme. I'm DJ Kyle and I will be your host,
You
bringing
almost feel ashamed.
you a great selection of feel-good music for your Friday
That
evening.
important. That without them,
And if you've only
you feel
just
like
joined
nothing.
us, thank you for tuning in.
No one will ever understand how much it hurts. You feel hopeless. Like nothing can save you. And when it's over and it's gone, you almost wish that you could have all that bad stuff back so that you could have the good.